I'm Rich Noonan from Best of the Best, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today.
Today on Best of the Best, 8 straight. Dent Discount, a paintless dent removal body shop in San Jose, California, is the only company of its kind in America to earn 8 straight National Best of the Best awards for customer satisfaction, earning the 2023 award just like they have every year since 2016. Wow. Dent Discount also has the best customer reviews of any business that we've ever profiled at Best of the Best. Literally all 5-star reviews for years. You have found the best of the best in America. Dent Discount, a PDR body shop. Congratulations to the owner, Ken, the entire team at Dent Discount Mobile in San Jose, California. An awesome small company known for outstanding workmanship and being able to fix dents and dings that others simply cannot at a very fair price. At Best of the Best, we never tell a company owner that we are profiling that company. We simply begin our research on any company the same way that most customers would these days. We read every word on the company website, everything we can find online about that company, and if we like what we see, we proceed with a full review. We love the story of Dent Discount when we first profiled this company in 2016, and we love them even more today in 2023, because very few companies can be as consistently great when it comes to customer satisfaction as Dent Discount Mobile has been for all these years. The sheer number and quality of customer reviews for Dent Discount is simply astounding. When we did this video in February of 2023 without telling anyone at Dent Discount, this company had 823 reviews on Yelp alone. Every one of those reviews, 5 stars. Every one, 823. Probably more by the time you see this video. They had over 160 on Google, all 5 stars. Think about that. It's awesome. A lot has happened at this company in the last couple of years involving Dent Discount PDR Body Shop. Ken launched an awesome training YouTube channel with really great how-to videos for auto body professionals. His videos get tens of thousands of views, hundreds and hundreds of awesome comments. Ken is also doing one-on-one training and is literally changing the game for auto body pros across the country who want to work so much smarter and help their clients. Ken is a fun, passionate guy. He's a funny guy. He calls himself the man that rips on steel. You gotta love it. Ken is one of those pros who considers every dent a challenge, and he loves fixing things others cannot at a very fair price. Extreme dent removal, large dents, crease dents, bodyline dents, bumper dent repair, the tough stuff. We've done the research for you year after year, and frankly, if you don't call Dent Discount first, you're crazy. I mean crazy. There are all kinds of before and after photos right there on Yelp and Dent Discount's website, which show how customers saved, in some cases, several $1,000s by calling Ken and the Dent Discount team. It's amazing. Aside from having the most positive reviews in the country, Dent Discount has won just about every business award you can get in the San Jose market. Finally, at Best of the Best, we really value companies that give back. Ken and his team at Dent Discount have given back to many people and organizations over the years. They truly care. We love that too. Congratulations to everyone at Dent Discount PDR Body Shop for being the only body shop in America to win back-to-back National Best of the Best honors each year since 2016, and way more importantly, for taking care of customers only one way every single day for so many years. The right way. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it again.